Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. First, power off your Lenovo Yoga C740 and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during maintenance. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your device. There are typically DS screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew each one, placing them in a small container to avoid losing them. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws are removed before proceeding. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you can now access the internal components. It's a good idea to clean the interior to prevent dust buildup, which can affect performance. Use the microfiber cloth to gently wipe down the fans and other components. If you notice any significant dust accumulation, consider using compressed air to blow it out. While you're inside, take a moment to check the battery and connections. Ensure that everything is securely connected. If you find any loose cables, gently press them back into place. This is also a good time to check for any signs of wear or damage. If you're not comfortable performing these steps yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help identify any issues and provide you with a clear understanding of your device's condition. After cleaning and checking the internal components, it's time to reassemble your device. Align the back panel carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws in the same order you remove them, ensuring they are snug but not overly tight. Now that your Lenovo Yoga C740 is reassembled, power it on and check for any issues. If everything is functioning well, congratulations! You've successfully maintained your device. However, if you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without the hassle of calls or travel. Plus, we provide a quote before any repair work begins, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, regular maintenance of your Lenovo Yoga C740 can extend its lifespan and enhance performance. By following these steps, you can ensure your device remains in top condition. If you need assistance, remember that our services are just a call away, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No hals, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.